10th birth, guys. Hello my loves, Coucou mes amours. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Rabia. Today I have an exciting video, as you can tell from the title below. Yes, so this is my new baby. My boyfriend got it for my birthday, so I'm literally like dying to open it. Oh my gosh. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment if you have any questions. So last year before Christmas, me and my partner, we went to visit the Prada store in Harrow, which is in London. So we went to have a look at some bags because I told him that, because he asked me what I want for my birthday, and I told him like I want to get a bag for my birthday, like a luxury bag. So he was open to like have a look what I like and see what's new, you know. Basically we just went to have a look. It was just like window shopping basically. So we went window shopping in Prada store. The bag that I had my eyes on was the Prada Galleria Saffiano leather bag in black. Obviously I wanted the black one, so I did have a look at it and I did try it on and just to see how it looks on the mirror. So when I looked at the bag, I was just like, yeah, this is what I want, and I want it in medium. So it was in the medium size I wanted. So I did look at the bag and the material, of course, because you want it to last. So I had to make sure like it's something that I want it to last, not just because I want to buy it because it's a luxury, or I just want to buy it just to show off. No. This is something that I want to keep for a long period. So when I did look at the bag, I was like, okay, you know, this is something I would definitely wear and style. And so yeah, I did try it on, I did have a look at that, and yeah, I really like the bag. I was just like, okay babe, this is what I want. So we went to Paris for my birthday and have brunch, and then we went to Tour Fair just to visit a little bit, because obviously we have to visit the Tour Fair. Who goes to Paris and then you don't visit the Tour Fair? Come on. So yeah, so we went to Prada store in Paris. So we're going to Prada now, and then I think obviously they're gonna ask you what you're looking for, like what you want and all that. So when I go to the Prada store, I showed the lady the exactly bag that I wanted from Prada. I showed her the picture as well, but unfortunately they did not have it in store. They had it in the other store, and then I was just like, you know what, let me just have a look. Let me have a look, and you know, just to see maybe I would like something else. So she bought some bag. I'm not gonna lie, it was nice, but it was just like casual. It was giving me casual. I was just like, no, this is not what I want. This is the bag that I want in black. She's like, unfortunately we don't have in black in here, it ran out. And I'm just like, no, this is what I want. And then yeah, and then after that, when she showed me other bags, I was not really interested in that because it was just giving me kind of casual look. Because like I said, I wanted a bag that's very mature type of bag, black with gold, and then obviously the material needs to look good. So I just said it to her as well, and then I said, look, this is my first luxury like black bag, so I want the bag to stand out. I want the bag to look lush and rich. So when I was looking in the store, and then I don't know, there was that bag that caught my eyes, and I was just like, wait, I like this bag. And then she showed me the bag. She's like, not many people have this bag, because she even mentioned that the bag that I wanted, she said a lot of people have it, and I'm gonna be honest with you, you don't want a bag that everyone has. So here is my new baby. Welcome to the fam.
This is how you open it, and this is how it looks on the inside. And then in here you can pour your card holder, and then on the other side you can just pour whatever you want to pour. But I would recommend you guys not to put too much things inside. As you can see how small it is already. Just put light things inside just to keep it like nice looking and fresh. You don't want to make sure you don't damage the inside.
This is the baby that I got, and I'm happy with the size. It's for me. It's just for me. I high-end fashion as well, and of course it's really feminine as well. Like the shape, it gives me like grown woman, feminine type of vibe. So yes, I'm happy with the size. I don't usually like big bag, at least if I'm getting the Cali. Happy with the size. It's giving class, elegant. Even the material is really lush and rich, and then the gold, it's standing out. Like this is because the other one, the shape was different. It was giving more like, now I think about it, I feel like the other one was giving me more like an office type of bag, but this one is giving me like a really like going out bag, dinner, you know, looking nice and lush. It's really high class, very elegant, very classe. J'adore. Moi, j'adore. C'est trop. Oh, elle est trop belle. Trop belle. J'adore ce sac. J'aime trop la matière. Oh, I'm even speaking French right now because it got me speaking French. This bag got me speaking French. J'adore le sac. J'aime trop la matériel. La couleur noire, c'est tellement joli. Elle est trop belle. Elle est magnifique. Elle est belle. Elle est jolie. J'adore. Je suis tellement contente. Je suis tellement contente. Oui, I'm a Prada girl now. I'm a Prada girl. I'm in love with this bag. Je suis amoureuse. Carry it like that, and then have it like all the way to my arms, just to have the nice, elegant carry. It is, oh my gosh, guys, the size is actually perfect. And then I don't like this hanging out. I don't know, for me it kind of look messy. I'm decided to wear it like this, so I will remove this and then wear with just one long stripe as well. So yeah, for a casual look, this is what I wanted as well, casual look, and then just elegant classic look. We went to Saint Laurent, and I did look at some belt because I've been thinking of myself getting some belts just to see what's new, what's got, you know, like maybe I'll find something there because we guys. So yeah, so got the belt, something small, simple, and it stands out. And then I got the belt. The size of the belt, it just made it look really chic and elegant. So I did try it in store, and I was just like, wait, I like this. You know, she made me try it. The size, oh, I said, I'm a fashion blogger, I'm a content creator, so I like to take pictures outdoor, and then when I create outfit, obviously I want to have something that stands out. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go for a belt. I'm gonna buy a belt, because a belt, when you wear it, it brings the look, do you know, right? Like the style, you know, it just stands out even more, do you know what I mean? 2023, we're stepping out. So yes, that was really my vibe. I wanted to look grown, I wanted to look elegant. I had a great time in Paris. Even like, I feel like I didn't really get to visit properly, but I enjoy it because it was on my birthday. I got my bag and I went to Paris fashion event, which was a dream come true. Like this year goals, I was like, I'm gonna attend a lot of fashion week, and then it happened. Thank you, Allah. Yeah, it happened. This is it. Thank you so much for those who've been supporting me, and if you're new here, thank you as well. I hope you guys like this video. This is my first luxury unboxing, so I'm a bit like, I don't know how this works, but I don't know, I'm a bit like nervous, but I think I got it. It's always baby step.